how to connect Facebook to Subway Surf game. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, we simply open Subway Surf game. Once you open that, here you guys will see that type of interface. Now here you guys will see on top right corner setting options. You simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will see play games, Facebook. Also you guys will see connect. So simply I will click on connect on Facebook. The wall like here you guys can see connect option. Once I click on connect, here I will wait for some seconds. Now, here you guys will see your Facebook ID. If you didn't log in, here you log in a Facebook ID. And if you are already logged in your Facebook account in mobile, here you guys will see your ID name. And you guys will continue, so I simply can continue. Once I click on continue, I will wait for some seconds. And after continuing, my Facebook ID will be added to Subway Surf game. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.